So now you have set up your sacred space and put on comfortable clothes. It's time to arrive and tune in. Why tune in? To become aware of the energy, or also known as prana, around and in us, and learn how to access and direct that energy in a way that's fruitful for our well-being and our health. This also increases energy and stamina throughout the day. Now that you've chosen a beginning posture, bring your head erect, not tilted up or down, to the side. Your nose is going to draw a straight line to the navel. Keep your eyes loosely focused around the tip of the nose, and allow the teeth and lips to settle naturally. The tongue drops from the roof of the mouth behind the teeth. Your shoulders are even in a straight line. Don't tilt too forward or too far back. With a straight spine, we're more accessible to direct our thoughts inward. Allow the breath to soften, like you're speaking into a lover's ear. Begin to bring awareness to breath and take a scan of your body. Observe any areas of tension. Observe how you have everything you need inside of you. Let go of everything that's happened so far in your day. And let go of the expectations of what's going to go on after your practice. I invite you to bring awareness into the present moment. Open your eyes. Take both hands to frame your left thigh. Inhale on a flat back, and on your exhale, pull your heart towards your knee. Nothing lasts forever. Change is inevitable. Learn to come from a place of transparency on your mat, to come from a place of transparency in life. Inhale, rise up. Frame the right thigh with both hands. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, chin to chest, heart to knee. Root through your left sit bone. Extend through the crown of your head. Inhale, walk up. Bring your palms to heart center, interlace your fingers, and press your palms up on the inhale. Exhale your shoulders down your back. Begin to sway from side to side. Move with your breath. Root through your sit bones. Rise through the palms of your hands. Release on your next exhale. Bring your palms behind you to meet the floor. Feet hip-width distance. Windshield wiper the legs by dropping the knees from one side to the other. Bring weight to the outsides of the feet and the arches. Next time your knees come through center, bring the feet to touch as the knees drop to the side. Interlace your fingers around your feet, root through your sit bones, rise through the crown of your head, and on your exhale, knees drop. Come back to your breath. Come back to this moment. A lamp for the path states, you may try to meditate as hard as you can, but if the parts of quiet are lost, you may sit in practice for thousands of years and never achieve deep concentration. Deep concentration is important to your being because it's the key to your success.